Question 4 says that a chocolate bar is made in the shape of a triangular prism. Each end is an equilateral triangle of side length 3 centimeters, and we have to find the area of the triangular end of the chocolate bar and closest to. So that usually suggests that you won't get the exact answer, but you've got to do a bit of what's it nearest to. So first thing is referring back to your cheat sheet, which tells us that the area of a triangle, so that's this end here, is half base times the height. So in this case the base is 3. Drop a perpendicular down there to get the height. Now because this is an equilateral triangle, that means all sides, all angles equal. So we know the bottom and the sides are all 3. We're not quite there yet because we do have something missing. I'll just redraw the triangle, explain why. So we have the triangle looking like this, and we've got 3 there, we've got a height, and we've got this distance here, which is half the base, so 1.5 and 1.5. Now we need to find out what this h is to find the area of a triangle, because we know that the area is half times the base times the height. Because we've got a perpendicular here, and immediately we think of Pythagoras. So we know that this squared is equal to that squared plus that squared. So writing that out, 3 squared is equal to h squared plus 1.5 squared. So we want to find h on its own, so we'll rearrange this using algebra. We'll take h over to this side, put the 3 to the power of 2 on this side, so we get over here h squared is equal to 3 squared minus 1.5 squared, or in other words, h is the square root of 3 squared minus 1.5 squared. Now if we get our trusty calculator out, we can type this in. Just get that line there, sorry it's in the way. Right, so to put this formula in now, we can just type it straight in. Calculator is pretty smart, so we can actually start with saying we want the square root of 3 squared minus 1.5 squared. And let's find the answer to that, 2.59808. So that gives us the height, which is 2.59808. But we want to find half the base times the height. So the area will be equal to a half times the base, which is 3, multiplied by the height, which is 2.59808. So just typing that all in again. So 0.5 multiplied, calculator. There, right, 0.5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2.59808 is 3.897. So as you can see, we didn't get an exact answer, but in this case there's a rounding, so 3.9 is the closest answer we can give.